Hey Jake, Isla, Jem, and Samantha. It's palm tree theme day. I have my palm tree hat and my palm tree shirt on. It reminds me of Florida. My favorite place to be. Other than math class with you guys, of course. Alright, so today is review day. We're going to review triangles and quadrilaterals, and then you guys have a simple sheet to do in your Google Classroom, and then we'll meet today and practice some more. Okay, so let's just go through all our definitions, just as a refresher. And remember, you have your reference sheet posted in the Google Classroom, so use it. So let's go over. We'll start with my favorite triangle, the acute triangle. So remember, an acute triangle is a triangle with 3 acute angles. Simple. Okay, then we have an obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with 1 obtuse angle. And there it is. And remember, I've said this before, even though there's 2 acute angles in it, as soon as you see 1 obtuse angle, we know it's an obtuse triangle. Okay, then we have a right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle with 1 right angle. And you know it's a right angle when you see the little square. And again, even though there's 2 acute angles, as soon as you see that right angle, we know it's a right triangle. All right, then we're moving on to our quadrilaterals. So just to remind you, a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. Remember, it has to be closed and it's made up of straight lines. Okay. So we have one of them, the trapezoid. A trapezoid has at least 1 pair of parallel sides, and there they are. No right angles. Then we have a square, which has 2 pairs of parallel sides, 4 sides of equal length, and 4 right angles. There are equal length sides, they're parallel, and we have the right angles. Okay. Here we have our rectangle. We have 2 pairs of parallel sides, 2 pairs of sides of equal length, and 4 right angles. See how these 2 are equal length and these 2 are equal length, and then our 4 right angles. Oh, here's my favorite, the rhombus. Why? Because it looks like the square leaning over. All right, so the rhombus, 2 pairs of parallel sides, 4 sides of equal length. So the sides are all equal, but no right angles. That's okay. And then finally we have our parallelogram. Our parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides, 2 pairs of sides with equal length. So these are parallel and those are parallel. Easy. So again, we should know this by now. We've been practicing a lot. All right, and then I said, after you do finish your classwork on in your Google Doc, the last question is to create a picture for me. So I want to show you an example. I said you could take any quadrilateral or any triangle and make a picture. Now, I want you using a full sheet of paper and coloring it in. If I don't see it colored in, you're going to have to color it in for me. So I chose, of course, one of my favorites, the acute triangle. And I made an ice cream cone. There we have it. So look, I just turned my acute triangle upside down. So you have my 3 acute angles. And I made my ice cream with sprinkles and a cherry on top. Notice I used my whole board just like you'll use your whole paper, and you're also going to color it in. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Be creative. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you at 11:30. Bye guys!